What's the story, boys? And here we're playing a game called Gangster New Orleans, and it's about gaining turf. And we have this turf and this turf. This is French Quarter, and this is plantations. And I'm trying to get this one. And you do the little missions there, and then you get better stuff from these spirit jars, which take forever. And it's kind of like GTA. You can go around like stealing stuff. And you can get planes, boats, cars, motorcycles, trucks, vans, and all that kind of stuff. And then you go around and the police go after you, and then they send helicopters if you're in the army and stuff. And you do these missions as well for different people. Like the purple thing up here, purple guy with the trumpet, he's over here. It's like steal something back. I don't know what though. I never get that far. So we're in the plantations at the moment, which is like a huge bunch of islands. Oh yeah, and you have your own private island, which is called Mansion. Except it's not a mansion unless you upgrade it to be one of those. You have like this chain of islands, and you buy stuff on other islands, and then you have to upgrade your house to get more stuff. And at the moment, I just bought a garage for my cars. Oh yeah, and you can buy cars and stuff. I'm trying to buy a harbour, but it's like really expensive, and it doesn't tell you how much it costs. It tells you like what percentage of your fish you have. Oh yes. Oh. Right. And I also have an armory over here. So the garage lets me modify my cars and stuff. The armory lets me modify weapons, and then this allows me to have boats because you have everything in here. Oh yeah, and you can get people as well, and you're wanted by the amount of stars that the police are after you. So I've got a rifle, submachine gun, shotgun, a pistol, and a machine gun I don't use. And then when you've maxed out these, you upgrade them through like evolving. Got this car, taxi, pickup truck, a jazz band truck, and the original car. And then you just deliver them to like the nearest road. And it's kind of cool inside, but it's like really expensive to upgrade this stuff. So it's not really worth it. Got my vault. Oh, can't take any of the money. Got like a computer that I can't use. A TV with a low sound system. There's a cool map though. That's the map of everywhere. And I'm trying to take it over other gangs by doing like missions and turf wars and all that. It's really good. I just like disappear from this island. Alright. I'm in charge of this place. Police aren't after me. And there's so many police. Oh, a police car. Bye. I'm gonna shoot with like handheld guns in the car. And there's like these little things, I don't even know what they are, called high value targets. Like giant lobsters, I suppose? Yeah, I'm scared. Probably not a wise thing to do. Oh, super jump. There it is. Here I get like either 10,000 or 200. Oh, 200. Great. Now you're. I'm an offender. I'm sorry that I hurt your feelings. Zero meters, new record. Yeah, like 3 stars of health. I have infinite bullets. If I stay in range, it'll like fire automatically. Yeah, manslaughter. The record's 18,000. I'm only wanted for 2 stars and I killed like so many people. Hello, Mr. Policeman. I like your car better. They like send eventually like Lamborghinis and stuff. It's really cool. Oh, this does not belong to me, this place. Like partially belongs to me. Ugh. I don't have change. I can't afford a taxi, but I own one. Yeah. It's not even like shooting at me. Oh, now they are. Man, that policeman's just walking away. And now he's dead. Let that be a lesson to you all. Don't walk away from a crime scene. I'm still only 2 stars. I'm blown up. Oh, I'm gonna lose my thing. Oh, I lost my thing. There has to be like people around to report the crime. And that ain't great. Ah. Stop shooting at me. Take you all on. I just like pushed him back. How did that kill him? Yes, 3 stars. Oh, there's a helicopter after me. What's this? What do even helicopters do? Oh, there's the Lambo. Don't crash a Lamborghini. Dumbass hole. My Lamborghini now. Helicopter's like just overhead. Let's see it. Hey. You ruined my very nice car. What kind of gun do you even have? Please can't, like, do anything. Except for shoot me, which isn't very nice. Stop shooting at me. Disturbance. I killed like 6 people in a disturbance. What murder? Oh yeah, 4 stars. Public enemy. Oh, that's not very nice. There's like so many cool guys. Still don't see the helicopter. Can I steal the helicopter? That'd be awesome. Oh, swash. Oh no. Oh. I am like dead. SWAT's gonna kill me. Bye-bye, Swash. Here's a SWAT now. How long? It takes so long to kill this guy. So I have machine guns. Who's even shooting at me? I can't even see them. Did I like heal when I was in the car? Oh. I was injured. I don't even go to prison? What? Alright, see you lads. Bye.